Welcome to math. Today you will need the game High Roller. You will need your marker and your sock. And you will need your extra die in your math toolkit. Okay, so let's start by warming up our brains with playing Quick Looks. Remember, Quick Looks are just cards that you quick look and see how many dots are on there, maybe even see what shape or combination they're in to help you remember. You only get a couple seconds to do it, and then I'll ask you what you saw. All right, so here we go. 1, 2, 3. How many dots did you see, and how did you see them? So if you saw 3 dots and you say you saw them in a triangle, that's what I saw. Nice job. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3. How many did you see that time? If you said 3 dots in a line and 1 out to the right side or 1 out to the side, or if you said you saw a triangle with 4 dots, nice job. That's what it looked like. 1, 2, 3 dot lines and 3 dots in a line and 1 out to the side, right? Perfect. Or triangle. Nice. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3. That's the easiest one, I think. What did you see? Did you see a square with 4 dots? Beautiful. Nice work. All right. 1, 2, 3. What did you see? Did you see 2 triangles with 3 dots in each triangle? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Beautiful. Nice work. Here we go. A little trickier one. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. What did you see? Did you see a square with 4 dots and then 2 at the bottom right corner? Nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2 dots in the bottom right corner. Awesome work. Last one of this kind. Now, this one's super tricky, but if you've got your good eyes on, you should be able to quick figure out how many are there. Ready? 1, 2, 3. What did you see? That was tricky. I'm thinking that you're probably thinking you saw a triangle. Good job. But how many dots? That was tricky. Do you know how many dots were on the bottom? And then how many dots were in the middle? And then how many dots were on the top? If you said 3 dots on the bottom, 2 in the middle, and 1 on the top, nice job. That was super tricky. So 3 dots on the bottom, 2 in the middle, and 1 on the top. Nice work. That was tricky. Okay, now we're going to practice 10 frame quick looks. Remember, a 10 frame has 2 columns of 5 squares. Okay, so we're going to see how many dots are in our 10 frame. 1, 2, 3. How many did you see? Did you see 2 on one side and 2 on the other? And 2 plus 2 is 4? That's what you saw. 2 plus 2 is 4. Nice job. So remember, 2 columns. There's 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on each side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 squares on each side. So that'll help you quick look how many dots are there. All right. Ooh, this one's going to be easy. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Woo! How many? Did you see a full 10 frame filled up? Absolutely. So that's 10. 10 dots on the 10 frame. Nice work. All right, here's another one. Ready? 1, 2, 3. How many did you see? How many dots on the 10 frame? Did you see 4 plus 4 equals 8. Or maybe you knew that 10 take away 2 is 8. Nice work. You guys are amazing. All right, let's try this one. 1, 2, 3. That was another easy one. What did you guys see? Did you see 5 on one side and none on the other? So 5 plus 0 is 5. Great work. Let's see a few more, I think. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3. What did you see? Did you see one column filled and one extra? So 5 plus 1 is 6. Nice job. Again, you might have seen that the 10 frame was missing 4. And know that 10 take away 4 is 6. Good job. Either way, awesome. All right, we have 2 more. If I can find the right card. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3. What did you see? Did you see 3 plus 3 equals 6? Nice job. That's exactly what it was. 3 plus 3 equals 6. All right, I can't remember if we did this one, so I'm going to put this one under there. 1, 2, 3. What did you see? Did you see 2 missing on the 10 frame? And know that that is number 8, right? 8, 8, 9, 10, right? Or maybe you saw 5 plus 3 and know that that was 8. Great job. It takes a good eye, lots of practice to recognize those. Okay, so I am going to teach you how to play high roller. So you have high roller in your math games. It is a new game. This is where you're going to need the 2 die, and you're going to need your marker and your eraser. So I'm going to show you how to play this game. Then you're going to do a workbook page, and then you can go back to playing the game if you want to. Okay, so you need 2 die, or 2 dice. They're die when they're 1, they're dice when they're 2. So 2 dice. You need 2 players. I only have myself playing right now, but I will show you I'll give you the idea of how to play. The skill is adding numbers, and the object is to have the larger sum. Okay, now we talked about this before. It doesn't matter who wins. All that matters is that you're having fun and that you learn the math skill that it's teaching you. So the first direction is number 1, take turns, roll both die. Then you're going to record your first roll in the first 2 squares. So I'm going to be player 1, because again, I don't have a player 2, but I'm just going to show you how to play. So I'm going to roll, and I'm going to record your first roll in the first 2 squares. So I have a 3 and a 5. So I'm going to put a 3 here, and I'm going to put a 5 here. And I left my marker open, and now it's drying out. Okay, 3 and 5. But it says cross out the smaller number. So now I have to think, which one's smaller? Oh, I get it. The 3 is smaller. Cross out the smaller number and roll the die that shows the smaller number again. So this is my smaller number. I'm going to roll that die again. And I got a 6. 6. So this was 5, and then I got a 6. Record your second roll in the third square, and that's exactly what I did. Record the sum of the 2 dice on the line. So I'm going to add these 2 up, and I'm going to record it on the line. So I know that 5 plus 5 is 10, but this isn't a 5, it's a 6. So I have to add 1 more. So I know that my total is 11. All right, I'll show you on player 2's side. So player 2 would roll the die. They get a 4 and a 2. So they're going to cross out the smaller number. Okay. Then they're going to roll the die of the smaller number. And they got a 5. Then they're going to add these two numbers up. I know that 4 plus 4 is 8. This isn't a 4, this is a 5, so I have to add one more. So 4 plus 4 is 8, plus one more is 9. Okay? Or I could say the bigger number, 5, and add the smaller number, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, I'll do one more. Roll the die, write my numbers down, 2 and 1, cross off my smaller number, roll the die again, and I got a 6. So this time I'm going to say the bigger number and add the smaller number. So 6, 7, 8. And that is my number. And you and your partner are going to play back and forth. Okay? It says the player with the larger sum wins the round. So I would win this round. Okay? My partner got 9, I got 11, so this would be the round that I would win. My partner would have to roll to see what number they got to see who is larger. Play 5 rounds. The player who wins the most rounds is the winner. And again, it doesn't matter who wins and loses. All it matters is that you're playing the game correctly and learning how to say the bigger number and add on, or noticing doubles. Okay, so up here I showed you how to notice doubles. Down here I showed you how to add on. So 6, 7, 8. So let me play this guy right here one more time. So 5 and 1. 5, 1. Cross off the smaller number. Roll the die again. I got a 1 again. So 5 plus 1 is 6. So who won? Me or my partner? Yep, I did, because I have the bigger number. Okay? When you're all done playing this game, you could take a picture of it and send it to Seesaw. I'm going to have you erase it when you're done, though. Don't put it away with your marker on it, because then it won't come off the next time. Well, it will. It just takes it's a little more difficult to get it off. All right, so I'm going to set that game aside. Again, you can play to the end, pause the video, play to the end, and then come back to doing your math journal. But I don't want to make my video too long. So here we go. So we're going to do math page 10. So math journal, page 10. I'll read the questions to you quickly. Pause if you need to. Okay. Use your number grid. Start at 8, count up 7, you ended at. So what is the number you ended at? Choose the best answer. So you're going to color in whatever number you ended at. So your number grid is in your blue binder. Okay, you're going to start at 8 and count up 7. I'm not going to do it for you. I want you to show me you did it, how you do it. Number 2, Eli has 10 crayons. Sammy takes 2 crayons. Uh-oh, from Eli. How many crayons does Eli have now? Now listen to that again. Eli has 10 crayons, but Sammy takes 2 away. What are we doing? Are we adding or subtracting? We're subtracting, yes. How many crayons does Eli have now? So if you need to draw crayons down here and cross them out to take them away, go for it. But make sure you put your answer there for me, okay? Fill in the table. So children, tally, total. Children in my class. Oh my goodness, can you do this without being in the class? I'm not sure. So I think this chart right here, you should only do if you're in school. So leave this one blank, and we'll do this one together in school. Because you might know how many kids are in your class, but you don't know how many kids are in our entire class. So let's skip 3, we'll do it at school. Number 4, count by ones. So 22, 23, you're going to put the next number, 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 the next number. And again, if you need to use your number grid or your number line, go for it. Okay? Again, I'd rather you use your resources than get it wrong. Use what you have, what I give you to figure out the answers if you can't do it on your own. If you can do this without looking, awesome. I'm so proud of you. And you're doing an amazing job. If you need to go back to the number grid to help you, that's great too. You're still doing an amazing job. All right, I'm going to get off and let you guys finish your work. Don't forget to submit it to Seesaw. Have a great day.